great day. We are reacting to EAS alarm of around the world, real alarms. So if y'all hear your alarm, that's crazy. Alright. Bro, are you serious right now? Warning, loud sounds, keep the volume. Bro, no. Oh, United States, bro. Wait, that's like an OG. I don't know. Uh, yo! Wait, I forgot what my alarm sounds looks like. I don't know. I mean, sounds like, I don't know. I forgot. Oh, Canada, bro. Yo, what the, bro? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Oh, Australia, bro. No way. Wait, that's what they actually sound like? Wow. Why is it so slow? Like our alarm slow. Why is it so slow? Bro, it sounds like the police alarm sound. That's it? Just. That's it? Bro, that's it, bro? Wow. Also, guys, the alarms are real. It's not like it's not. I don't know. Okay. Earthquake. Tsunami. There's a tsunami coming. No way. Okay, chill, chill. Why is it? That's my country. Wait, no, is it actually is? Wait, I think that's my country. Hold on, wait, hold on. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on, is that my country? All right, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, wait, bruh, bruh. Was that a Hulk? Wait, that's someone's alarm. Wait, I like that alarm. That's what? Guys, if y'all know Spanish, please like let me explain. The bro said alarm. Okay, we're just gonna skip that one because is there a train coming? Yo, what in the world? Oh, was that a motorcycle? What in the world? Bro, Finland. What? It sounds like a alarm helicopter noise. San R, bro. What? What? Yo, Germany. I can hear like the footsteps like of someone. It sounds like walking it. Someone's walking. Okay, I have to say Mexico has the best alarm or United Kingdom because like they're kind of cool. Like I like the alarm music. I don't know. Whoa. Oh, Russia? No, no. Skip that. Skip that. What? Well, auto. Huh? Wait, that's what Lionel Messi hears. Okay, okay. Yo, Portugal has like the best flag. Look at it. Okay, we can. Why is it so long? Was that a vacuum, bro? What? Mm. Bro, someone's watching like the language. I don't know what language is it. Oh. Yo, wait, whoa. Mm. Wait, that's what this country here is nice. Not nice. Okay, that's it. That's it. Hope y'all enjoy the alarm warning. These are fake. Y'all are safe in here or not? I don't know. But we're just gonna end the video here. Hope y'all see you in the next time. Peace. I'm out. Shouts out. It was a fake alarm. Chill.